Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually use Hindi letters and characters in your Roblox usernames, such as I have right here. Now I have Chinese in my username, but you can use Hindi, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Now the first step that you want to take is open up your Roblox account, head down to the settings in the top right corner right here, open up these settings, and from here we have our name. Now what we want to do next is we want to go to the little edit icon right here, and we can change our name. Now from here the second step is to open up a different tab and type in translate. Now this will open up the Google Translator. Simply change this to detect language, and here we want to change this to Hindi. Now here use whatever you like. I'm going to use a hello for example. Simply select the Hindi letters, right click it and press copy. Go back to your settings in Roblox, and here we can change the name. Now as you can see, I've already changed my name in the past 7 days, so for me I can't change it for the tutorial, but here you can simply press save, and from there the changes will be saved and your name should look something like this, but then in Hindi. Now it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.